Hi guys, good morning! Nandito na kami ngayon sa Bimini, Bahamas. Pakita ko sa inyo sa labas. Ayan na guys, hindi pa nga ako nakapanghimuta, but look at this! Ang ganda! Ayan guys, this is Bimini, Bahamas. Ayan, so I'm very excited today dahil lalabas kami ni John and meron na kaming mga towels dito. Actually, we're getting ready na for breakfast first. And ito dalawang towel. Meron na ring bag dito. Lagayan natin. And after ko maligo, breakfast lang kami sa Lumine. And then, meron ako ditong mga... Ayan, nandito nakatago yung ating mga treats. I think magdadala ako ng dalawa ngayon. Ayan, bigay natin sa kung sino man ang kababayan na mag-assist sa atin. Ayan, so eto, lagay natin yan dear. Hopefully it will fit here. Lagay ko muna. Kung isa lang muna ang bibigyan natin. Ayan. Kasi ibibigay natin to guys sa mga kababay. Ay, mayroon akong ano. I'm gonna bring this one too. Meron akong suka dito. Maliligo lang muna ako guys, and then magko-coffee tayo, magbe-breakfast tayo, and then alis na tayo. Yung mga microphone and then GoPro, charge ko na din kayo para tuloy-tuloy tayo. Katatapos ko lang maligo guys. Ayan si John ay nagsasapatos na, ready na yung mga treats na ipamigay natin sa kababayan natin. Maglalagay lang ako ng lotion kasi dry na dry ang skin ko. Lagay ko muna kayo dyan. Ayan. Tapos lalabas na tayo. Magdadala ako ng payo ngayon dahil sobrang init talaga dito. Ang bango ng kanilang lotion. Good morning. Hello, good morning.
I'm good, thank you.
Breakfast time. Yeah. We're going to Lumine because their breakfast is not so overwhelming. Kasi sa taas kasi guys, parang sobrang dami ng choices. Eh hindi ko rin alam kung ano yung kakainin ko. So, wala rin. Tignan natin, sana open pa yung breakfast nila kasi medyo late na kami nagising. I had a hard time kasi sleeping last night. Kakabalik lang natin sa room and grabe, naayos na kaagad nila yung kama. Dapat once a day lang ito inaayos pero sa kanila twice a day. Okay, excited na kami, nag-breakfast lang kami and of course, malibang sa may bago mo gawas no, kay Basigway Casillas na makitaan niya. So, ang daming mga magagandang puntahan daw dito. Ayan, as you can see. Pero hindi pa namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Tatawag kami ngayon sa concierge to check if may mga available pa na excursion kasi meron daw private resort dito sa pinakadulo daw nito. Nakita nyo ba yung white sand na yan guys? Ayan, lots of people coming out. I think we will have like 10 hours today. Ay, meron pa tayong Evian. Did they put another one? I think they put another one.
That's the original one.
Ah, that's the original one. Now I have to bring my ano. I have to bring all my something for the face. Hindi pwedeng mawala yan. Now, we have to bring this. I think there's a lot of space in your bag. This one, darling, oh. So, ito lang po yung ganap today. Close natin yan. Close natin yan. Mga panting alagak. Social talaga ng water nila. Yan. Lalabas tayo and magtitake tayo ng maraming pictures, maraming videos. Nakapunta na kami dito actually, pero hindi natin napuntahan yung isa-suggest doon nila sa amin na magandang beach resort. So, yun ang puntahan natin at magkuha tayo ng maraming videos at maraming pictures doon. Pabango. Nalibang lang si John. Ayan, alis na tayo. Ready na kami. Cellphone, wallet. Oh, passport. Guys, andito na yung ticket namin. Resorts World. Ay! Resorts World Bimini. Ayan. So, get ready with the ticket. Here's our ticket. Bigay natin dito. Guys, so kakabalik lang namin guys dito sa aming room and now getting ready lang kami for lunch and maliligo lang ako saglit kasi hindi ako nagbanlaw doon sa resort. Okay, and then remove lang natin yung shoes, umbrella, ayan, water, passport, double check lang natin. Okay, passport, money, green card. Okay, everything is in here. Medication. Ayan na guys, tignan natin ha. Ayan. Pabalik na rin yung iba naming mga kasama. Actually, kailangan makabalik namin dito sa barko by 4:30 PM dahil lalarga na tayo. And it's going to be a full day on the sea, in the sea, at the sea. Ayan guys, ang ganda ng Bimini Bahamas guys. Hindi ako magsasawa na pabalik-balik kami dito. Actually, this is our second or third time. Pero the last time na pumunta kami dito, I think this is our third time. Pero the first two times na
we were in a different place last time before.
Right.
In December.
So this one, ayan, dyan kami nag-swimming before, dito lang sa harapan ng barko. Pero dinala kami doon sa resort. This time dinala kami doon sa Resorts World. I was gonna say Resorts World Manila. Sa Resorts World dito sa Bahamas, and I can say okay naman yung place, guys. Actually included siya sa package namin dito sa suite room. And ang tawag dito, they gave us a complimentary drink, the Bahama Mama, which is, I didn't put the alcohol lang kasi guys, bawal sa akin. Si John lang. Tapos hindi na kami nag-order ng additional kasi ang Bahama Mama is $16 pag nag-additional ka. No? And then, it's pretty much expensive. And then the food is $18 to $24 yung mga burger nila. Sabi ko, baka mas masarap pa yung mga burgers nila dito sa Celebrate dito sa barko. So dito na lang tayo kakain, and nag-crave din ako bigla ng ramen, so that's going to be our lunch kasi gutom na ako guys. So sabi ko pigilan ko to para doon na lang ako sa, kasi included din kasi yung ramen dito. So I think magpo-pork ramen ako mamaya. Tonkatsu tama ba? So yun yung kakainin ko for lunch. everyone! Good evening. It's already 6 o'clock there. Or no, 5:30 or something. 5:30. Baba lang kami. Magdi-dinner lang kami. Meron kaming reservation at 6 at Murano. French restaurant siya. And then, nagdala na rin ako nitong ating pasalubong from our kababayan. Nagtatrabaho sa bar. Kasi always kami doon. Actually, si Jan lang naman umiinom. So, bibigyan natin siya. Deserving naman siya na magkaroon nito. So, mayroon tong mga, hopefully magustuhan niya, no? Mga pasalubong natin galing sa Pinas. And then, pagkatapos niya, and siguro mag-drink lang si Jan doon ng mga 30 minutes. And then, I think in the same floor there, no? 5th floor, the Murano restaurant.
Yes, it's right behind where we are.
Oh, okay. So, ay, oo nga. Right behind. Okay, don't forget our psyllium, our mga supplement. Don't forget, what else? Okay, magpapabango pala muna ako. Saglit lang, guys. Ang bilis ng araw. It's already our last day. Tomorrow, last day na. Pero whole day kami sa sea tomorrow. So, iikutin natin, as I've mentioned earlier, iikutin natin po ang buong barko from 2nd floor up to 15th floor. So, good luck sa atin. Mahaba-habang trabaho ito. That's gonna be our last day of vlog. Ayan. For this cruise. And then, abangan ninyo kung saan na naman kami mag-cruise ni John at Murano. Hi guys, good evening. Kakabalik lang namin sa room. And ayan, naayos na ulit nila yung room namin. And nabigay na rin natin pala yung pasalubong kay Roy, yung isa sa aming room attendant dito. Dalawa kasi sila dito. And then, binigyan na ulit tayo ng mga activities for tomorrow. Everyday pala guys, may nilalagay sila dito sa bed natin na mga activities for the following day. So, ahead of time, alam mo na. Ayan, sa mga Sunset Suite guests, ayan, relaxation, rejuvenation. Ay, meron tayong spa. May coupon sa spa. Tapos meron na rin tayong mga tags. Yung mga luggage natin, hindi mawala. Lalagyan natin ng tag. So, yun lang naman guys. So, today is the last day. Technically, kasi wala na kaming port na pupuntahan bukas eh. Ayan, so full charge na siya. Na-change ko na yung battery. Tara na, punta na tayo sa theater.
Before I heard the silence, hear our hearts beat together. We stand strong together. We're in this forever. Top of the world.
afternoon. Ayan, nagpe-prepare lang kami ni Jan dahil mamayang 5 p.m. invited kami dito sa, ayan, June 17, 2025, 5 p.m. at Michael's Club. Mag-toast daw kami sa mga senior officers ng Celebrity Reflection. So sana makausap natin mamaya or makapagpa-picture tayo sa mga officers nila or sana sa kapitan, no, ng barko na ito. Ayan, so nagpe-prepare lang tayo. Ayan, handa lang natin yung mga microphone. I-interviewin natin sila. Ayan. Tapos mamimigay din tayo ng Your Highness soap. I think I'm gonna bring Your Highness soap. Maybe 2. Ayan. Para sa mga kababayan natin na nandito sa barko, bigyan natin ng Your Highness soap. Maglalagay lang ako ng lip shiner kasi napaka crackling ang aking lips. Ayan. Ito lang yung ginagamit ko, pomegranate. Ito lang yung attire ko, guys. Ayan, Ralph Lauren, and then Ralph Lauren, and then On shoes. Ano lang ako? Rubber shoes lang ako. Hindi ako nagpo-formal talaga na shoes, guys, kasi ay hala, nakalimutan ko pala yung bakus ko, dear. Guys, good morning. So as promised, bibigyan namin kayo ng complete room tour cruise tour ng Celebrity Reflection. But first, we go to 15th floor. We're currently at 12th floor. Ayan, so ito yung mga pupuntahan natin, guys. Oh, 16 pala. 16th floor, dear. So ito yung mga pupuntahan natin. Pupuntahan natin yung lahat. From 16 down to 2. 9:31 a.m. Tignan natin kung anong oras tayo matatapos. Tignan natin. Okay, dito na tayo. Tara! Okay, we're currently here at the 15th floor. Ayan. So, ikutin natin ang buong 15th floor, guys. Tatambay lang muna tayo dito, guys, kasi nauhaw na kami ni Jan at mag-order na kami ng drinks. Ayan, so upo lang muna tayo dito saglit, guys. So continuation tayo, guys, ng ating vlog. Okay. Lon Club Grill. Aha, and then dito ang ganda, nasa 15th floor tayo. Ayan, tapos meron sila ditong mga
navigational information, weather forecast, together with Alexa here, who will be providing you with a detailed account of everything.
To mention on our great day at sea and beautiful weather, as Captain did mention.
85% na, guys, yung aking battery ng aking GoPro. Hindi pa natin natapos maikot yung 15th floor. It's 10:03 na.
In front of the pool on our little staging area. Be curious about what happens behind the scenes or how our beautiful ship.
Kababayan tayo, si Crystal. Saan ka sa atin? Saan ka sa atin?
Sa Buanga City.
Oh, Bisaya, Raka, Cresta.
Lagi.
Picture tayo with Crystal.
But most importantly,
Good. More pool in here. So we just finished 15th floor and 14th floor, and there's no 13th floor. Sa 12th floor, my future cruises. Pupunta tayo, oh, eto na. This is 12th floor. And nandito yung future cruises. So, tignan natin. Check if you wanna go cruise in the future. Like for example, you wanna go Northern Europe, you wanna go, you can actually book online. Ah, so it's Apple.
This is all they have. Free for the taking. Open 24 hours. You can just come down here, get whatever you like.
Thank you very much, and I will pass on the mic to
Thank you so much. Please give a big round of applause to all our superstars, employees of the month, everybody. Back the house, front of the house, and of course supervisors that want to recognise their employee of the month. And I must say, it's probably a very tough decision because there's so many awesome crew members. I'm sure that you've got to witness.
So may parade of officers daw sa 14th floor. Punta tayo. Ayan na, ito na. Going up. Going up. I think they will come here.
Alright, thank you so much to all of the crew members and activities committee, senior officers, and of course, Captain Leon. Thank you, everybody!
Celebrity cruises. Oh, that's good. We're already here because we always go to the other side. So deck 5 is theater and some shops. I think shops. Shops and the paintings. No? So more shops in here, like Jasmine. So they have all the
Chanel today.
Chanel, Clinique, Estee Lauder. And they have the Louis Vuitton, LV bags. Ayan, so those stores. Hindi na tayo papasok. We will not go inside. Otherwise, we will be broke.
And get them here and bring them home.
Yes. Ah, look at
For
those.
sale.
Ah! Nobody will buy. Ayan. Moda. So, I think here is the... here's my camera. Yan na guys, auction. John Hardy. This is other world class bar where you can, it's still closed right now. After the reflection theater restaurant. This is the Cafe Albacio, which is very popular. The celebrity bathroom. They have the towels here. You have an option, towel and tissue. Alright.
The laundry is very busy.
Very busy laundry. Alright, so we're down to the last floor, which is the gangway, I think the medical also.
To escape.
Medical.
Okay, thank you.
This one, medical facility. Ay! Wow! Okay, meron tayo dito dumating na. Wow! See? Their pictures are clearer.
Oh, I knew that was gonna be.
But this is included. Wow! That's what we're supposed. Alam nyo guys, ito na talaga ang pinaka-highlight ng cruise namin. Ang makapagpa-picture tayo kasama ang kapitan ng barko. Tignan ninyo, mayroon po kasing isang empleyado na nag-reach out sa amin guys para bigyan kami nitong mga merch. Itong, ayan, yung barko, ano tawag dyan? Model ship na may pirma ng kapitan ng barko na ito guys. At saka yung picture, ayan, pinirmahan niya na. Ayan yung kapitan ng barko guys. Kaya natuwa talaga kami ni dyan. Sabi ko, every time na mag-cruise tayo, kailangan magpapirma tayo sa kapitan ng barko. Our favorite. Look the but Hi guys, we're going to Future Cruises. We just finished the show. I forgot the name of the comedian.
Basil.
Basil, yeah. How can I forget Basil? The mother is Rosemary. So punta kami sa Future Cruises para mag-inquire ng next cruise natin. This one. I hope they're still open. Yeah, there's already available. You wanna check or go speak to an ano? I think you have to check in, no?
So tell me, what can I do for you? To fill out this form at the back?